how to benefit from DraftKings promotions and bonuses. If you want to benefit from DraftKings promotions and bonuses, you can simply open your browser and go to sportsbook.draftkings.com and log into your account. From there, you want to simply navigate to the promos tab that you can see right there, and once you navigate to the promos tab over there, you should be able to see a couple of ways on how you can utilize their promotions and bonuses. For example, if you bet $5, you will get $200 in bonus bets, and this is actually a popular offer if you are a new user. Basically, you can see right over here. You can also use deposit match bonus because it offers a deposit match bonus for new users as well. Now, you can also go ahead and then participate in special event promotions. You can choose to refer a friend and get certain amount of bonuses as well. I hope this video helped you as to how you can earn or benefit from DraftKings promotion. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.